Hello Lord of the Rings Hobbit fans and fellow YouTubers, Alfred Price here, the Middle-earth Collector. Today I have another item I'd like to show you, and it is Gandalf's pipe, one-to-one proper replica. I hope you guys enjoy this. And this is the box of the pipe of Gandalf the Grey here. And this is the front. And the back. And let's open this up. And this is the bottom of the base. And it is made by David Tremont. Just real simple base. And let's show you the pipe. And it just sits in here ever like so. Whoop. Just a real simple pipe. Very, very cool. And remember, this is a prop replica. It is not a fully functional pipe, a prop replica. As you can see there. It's a really nice pipe. I like this one too. See the inside here. Nice and rustic inside. As you can see there. Just a cool pipe. And I display this with my Gandalf statue and over on my display there. Just a cool pipe. Like I said, real simple. Very nice pipe. And that's the pipe of Gandalf the Grey. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you guys thought of this pipe of Gandalf the Grey. And like and subscribe. Have a great day and see you in the next video.